Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. For the long time period, we all have been waiting for the EMA 21 weekly on the Bitcoin chart to be retested as soon as possible for a firm rally. And here we can see that finally the price action of Bitcoin retested this EMA 21 weekly here. And we had, in fact, the closing above this EMA 21. And on the next candlestick, this one, we can see that now we are very far down from this EMA 21, but so far this week is not closed. We have 4 or 5 days left. Maybe the price action will be reversed back and we will have another closing above this EMA 21 weekly. Now, first of all, I want to show you some of my previous trades that I shared at the Patreon, and then I'll share with you a bullish and a bearish scenario about the Bitcoin, what the price action can do next. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this was the chart that I shared at the 4th of May. And before that, even I found this shark move that the Bitcoin was completing, and I shared at the Patreon at the 18th of April when we had this drop. And I told you that the price action will complete this final leg of the bullish shark, and from here it can be reversed. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action completed this final leg of the bullish shark and reversed from here, and then moved to the downside. And then another shark move I caught on 4th of May, and this was comparatively this one was the smaller shark because it was formed on the 4-hour chart. And on the drop on the 4th of May, I just told you that the price action will complete this final leg, and from here we can have another bullish reversal. And after playing this chart, we can see that we had a very nice reversal after the completion of this final leg of the bullish harmonic shark move. Okay, this time I also found another shark move by the price action of Bitcoin during the current drop, and I was expecting that the price line will be reversed back to the upside, like it has been reversed after the completion of these shark moves. And this time we were having a very good support of EMA 21 weekly as well. And I shared this chart on 13th of May, and now I'm just going to play this chart. This was the chart, and this chart was formed on the 2-day time frame. And after playing this chart, we can see that this time the price action is breaking down this final leg, this buying zone of the bullish shark move, and we had a very long downside rally. And in fact, today is the worst day of 2021 for the crypto. Now let's move back to this weekly time frame chart, and we can see that after September, here the price action in the month of September 2020 retested this EMA 21 weekly, and after that, here the price action was retesting this EMA 21 weekly, but at this time you can see that the price action is likely to break down this EMA 21. Now I would like to show you the previous retests during the previous bull runs. For example, previously we had this bull run back in 2027 when the price action topped at $20,000, and we can see we had several retests during the previous bull run. We had here retest, here retest, and here the price action broke down finally this EMA 21, and then the price action moved down. Even we also had few retests before these one as well, like we also had the retest of EMA 21 here as well, and here as well. So almost 6 or 7 retests we have. And before that we had the bull run of 2012 to 2013, this one, and here we can see that the price action retested the EMA 21 previously when we had this bull run, and the price action found a resistance approximately at $1,000. We had several touches at the EMA 21, like it retested here and here as well. This was a very critical retest. We can see that the price action broke down the EMA 21 here, and even we had the closing below EMA 21. And you can see that the EMA 21 was at $87.42, and we had the closing at $73.96. Then in the very next candlestick, the price action broke out the EMA 21 again, and then we had a very nice rally to the upside. And finally here, the price action retested the EMA 21 and here broke down the EMA 21 again. Now let's move to the current situation. And here we can see that we had, while this bull run was getting started, we had the retest on September here. The price action retested this EMA 21 weekly and started the bull run, and here for the second time it is going to retest this EMA 21 again, but unfortunately we are down from this EMA 21. However, there are 4 to 5 days are left, and maybe the price action will be recovered from here and we will have a V-shaped recovery. I want to show you very important move here. Like, first of all, I want to show you a very important support zone, and this is the this starts from $40,000 and ends up to $30,000, like for example here, and the next one is here. This is the $40,000, and this one is the $30,000. And we can see that previously here it was working as a resistance, but the price action broke out, and after breaking out this level, the price action used this level as a support, sorry, not the resistance. Therefore this level can work as a very strong support, and here this level, the $40,000, was working as a very good support resistance here. And this time this level could not work as a good support, but we can see that the $30,000 can work as a very good support because the price action is reversed from here, and so far the price action is not able to break down this $30,000 support level. Now I want to show you more important thing, and that is the golden ratio of the Fibonacci retracement level. If I place this Fibonacci tool from this low of March 2020 to this high, and we can see that we have the golden ratio, that is 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, the golden pocket, approximately at $27,000, and we are very close to this golden pocket or golden Fibonacci ratio. And this is the level from where we can expect another reversal, because there is a big number of traders who are waiting for this retracement. Whenever the price action moves between 0.50 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, they start buying. So we can expect maybe the price action is reversed from this level due to this golden ratio level, because the price action is very close to this golden pocket. Now let's move to the daily time frame chart. And here we can see that on the daily time frame, the RSI, the relative strength index, is oversold. That is indicating that the market on the daily time frame chart is oversold. And if we take a look at this stochastic oscillator, then it is oversold and it has given the bull cross. This blue line has crossed up this red line, that is a buying signal. And we can see that previously, whenever we have received the buying signals from the oversold, then whenever this blue line crossed up this red line from this oversold zone, then we had very nice rallies to the upside. We can see that the price action has been following the signal of this stochastic whenever it is giving us the buying signal from the oversold zone. But this time we have another situation that we also have this RSI, the relative strength index, that is also very good support, that is also oversold. Therefore this time, if it is giving the buying signal, then we can expect a recovery rally from here. That can be the V-shaped recovery. And if we take a look at this directional movement index as well, then we can see that at this time we are receiving the sell signal. This orange line is above the blue line, that is the bearish signal. So once we will have this blue line above this orange line, this positive directional index above this negative directional index, that will be the final confirmation. That can be the final confirmation that now we are going to have a very powerful recovery rally from here. And if a recovery rally starts from here, then maybe. I'm not sure that it will be, but it can be. The price action can form a broadening formation like this, because we can see that the price action is likely to form this downtrend line and likely to find this downtrend line support. And from the upside, we can have this resistance, and the price action can move back to this resistance that is approximately at $52,000 or $53,000, and then it can be dropped to the downside again. However, this broadening formation that is moving to the downside can be eventually can lead to the breakout of this resistance, because most of the times if we have the broadening formation to the downside, or bearish broadening formation, that leads the price action to break out this resistance of this broadening formation. So however, it is not confirmed so far. Once we will have another touch here at this resistance, that this broadening formation will be confirmed. However, if the price action, like it is going to be recovered from here, likely to be recovered, then we can expect that this will be a very, very strong support line moving to the downside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.